Hi, this is Mark Tender, and you're watching Tips with Tender.
I'm paying attention. I'm not just another gorgeous face. Stop for a second.
Because when you were doing this, I was like, do it again. Today.
When it comes to choosing metal roofing panel profile for your project, there are a few things to consider. First, we need to discuss the difference between what we call exposed fastener panels and standing seam panels. Exposed fastener systems are installed so that you can see the fasteners holding the panel to the roof. Those fasteners are painted to match your metal roof selection and blend in very well. Typically, exposed fastener roofing systems install faster than standing seam projects. Therefore, the labor cost for installation is usually a little more economical. At Tri-County Metals, we offer 3 profiles of exposed fastener panels. The most popular is Ultra Rib. Then we have our larger rib and more commercial style PBR panel. And finally, we have the classic Key West look in our 5V panel. Standing seam panels are a little different. They're installed so that the panels overlap the fastener locations and conceal the screws. The panels are then locked or snapped together at the seam. We offer 3 basic styles of standing seam panels, including our TCM lock, which is roll formed with an incorporated nail strip, our SL lock panel, which is designed to be installed with a floating concealed clip system, and finally our MS lock, which has a mechanically folded seam. The size of your home or building will play a big role in your selection. Our standing seam panels have more pronounced ribs. Some profiles come with ribs up to 2 inches high. Typically, as your building gets larger and the roof gets more expansive, you'll want to choose a panel with a higher rib that's more pronounced to give the roof a more proportional visual aesthetic. Also, for roofs with panel runs from ridge to eave that are less than 30 feet, our TCM lock works great. Yet, for runs longer than 30 feet, you'll need to make sure that we're using a panel that will accommodate some additional panel expansion and contraction. If that's the case with your roof, you'll want to consider our SL lock. It uses a clip system that better allows for expansion and contraction of the roof panels over longer runs. Be sure to consider the slope of your roof as well. The slope of your roof is an important factor to consider when choosing the right panel for the job. If you have a slope that's less than 312, you'll need to be more careful when picking the right panel. In very low slope applications, you may consider our PBR panel. It handles low slope very well and is warranted for slopes as low as a 1/2 and 12 pitch. Finally, your color choice will help give your project not just the right look and aesthetic, but also energy efficiency. All our panels are offered in energy efficient, cool roof colors with our Defender Series paint system. And remember, Tri-County Metals paint systems use Sherwin-Williams industrial paint designed for metal roofing that will last for decades.
This is Mark Tender with Tri-County Metals. Thanks for watching Tips with Tender. Have a great week and stay dry.